As Ahmadi Muslims, what do we believe about jinns and the power of jinns?
See, jinn is not something which we perceive or imagine. The word jinn has different connotation. Bacterias are also called jinn in Arabic. Any hidden thing is also called jinn in Arabic. All those big people who do not appear before the public frequently, they are also called jinn. The strong people living in the caves and bush, or the very strong people who are working for other people, they are also called jinn. So this is the meaning of the word jinn, right? But if you think that there is some jinn who has empowered some person and has taken over all his capabilities and senses and everything, that we do not believe. They don't have that power.
Achha.
So if any person says that is the case, then ask them to pray and recite La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and Allah Ta'ala will save you from this type of adverse situation. Normally in illiterate people, among uneducated people, ignorant people, this is the concept that jinns have overpowered them and they have, acquired all their capabilities and strength, and they do whatever they like, and you are just puppet in their hand. No, it is not the case. That is the disease. It should be treated.
Ji.
They should contact psychiatrist, right?
Ji.